All right, I think that it's time for an unboxing. How about something for the cold weather? Yeah? Also, I got a new knife. All right, we got our package open. Let's see what we got. So this is a wireless Bluetooth beanie that I've ordered here. Let's open this up. Okay, and that's about it. It's just a wireless Bluetooth beanie. So it's a beanie, it's got some headphones built into it, and they are Bluetooth. Oh, there we go. It did come in different styles. This is the, so this is black and gray stripes, or gray and black stripes, whatever you decide to, however you decide to label it, and however you believe zebras are. And it's just got on the side here, you can see it's got this like leather piece, and it actually has control buttons on it, and then there's actually like a little square in here, which I believe is the speakers, and there's one on each side. And this thing was $8, I think, right now, $7 maybe. I think it was $6.99. Normally anywhere from $11.99 to $13.99, depending on which style you get. But overall, 13 bucks, not that bad for a beanie just in general. And one with headphones built in is pretty cool too. But let me get my phone and we'll try it out real quick. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back with my phone. Let's see if we can get this thing connected and then listen to some music, shall we? Actually, before that, we should probably try it on and see how it fits. So I'm assuming the side with the leather piece here is the right ear, and it should probably just go right over my ears like this. So there's your fashion statement. Not sure how that looks, but it's comfortable at least. But I mean, it's a beanie. It's really hard to make a beanie uncomfortable. Let's see. Oh, hello. Okay, so I hold the center button, and it says power on, Bluetooth pairing, and I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to my device. It is being listed as BT-01 in my Bluetooth devices, which is an interesting name. And let's go ahead and play a song real quick. How about some Mr. Blue Sky? I'll just skip through a little bit. Okay, I don't need to listen to a lot of that to really get where that's going at. These are some cheap headphones. They're not that great to begin with, but being that they have to go through the material probably doesn't help very much either. But that said, I got it for $7. For $7, this is fine. This is absolutely fine. I will gladly wear this thing. I think it looks fine. I like the look of it, and the headphones aren't so horribly, they're not that great. They're definitely $10 headphones, but they're not so horribly bad that they make me not want to listen to music. Honestly, it probably makes more sense to just get Bluetooth headphones, but if you don't want to do that, or you're afraid of the headphones falling out for whatever reason, I guess this is a good alternative. Yeah, you know what? It's not that bad. For the amount of money that you spend on it, you know, you spend what? You spend $7. That's not even enough money to buy lunch, right? Like, I mean, I guess if you go to the grocery store, like buy lunch directly at the grocery store, but you can't get much of a meal at like McDonald's or something for $7. You can't get a meal for $7 at McDonald's, actually. You have to do like the dollar menu, build your own nonsense, and that's just a nightmare. I hate doing that kind of shit. But anyway, I'm getting off the rails. Honestly, it's not that bad. It's pretty comfortable. The look is, I don't know, you guys can see the look. And it's cheap. It's really cheap, $7, $14 if it's not on sale, not that bad. Honestly, this one's kind of a toss-up. For me, I would say this is perfect as like a gift for someone, but if you're not really interested in giving gifts to people and you want it for yourself, then it really comes down to what you think about the style and whether or not you care whether your music sounds good or not. That's really all it comes down to. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this thing in the comments. I'd be interested to see your perspectives and what situations you think this odd piece of fashion falls under. Yeah, let me know. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching the video. This has been a very short one, I know. I don't usually do videos this short, but sometimes it's nice to have a short video. And I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you guys have a great week. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that stupid bell if you want to get notifications for whatever reason, I don't know. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.